third.
Well, Jason, within a matter of 5 minutes, we now have shiny surface on the majority of this racetrack, and I just saw him,
race now.
I just saw him come through standing water. Wow! Back here, we have some water piled up on that hard pack. Yeah. So look at this. My goodness. White flag. White flag flying on this one. Man, oh man, slick spots everywhere. This has changed the complete face of this race in under 10 minutes time. Jake Lane to the MX Sports office, please. Jake Lane to the MX Sports office, please. Jake Lang with a G. Lang. Jake Lang, you're needed at the MX Sports office, please.
By the way, this should be the first title, I believe, for bowling. Well, well, well. These are not good conditions right now. I'm just saying. It has changed, and it has changed quickly. Let's get the stopwatch, because I'm going to make a run for it.
Do not twist an ankle, Jason. Do not twist an ankle. Take my buggy.
Well, Jason Wygant on his way down to the podium to congratulate what looks like going to be the first time championship for John Boland, as he will too be one of the few sweepers here in 2019, and under these adverse conditions here in the latter part of this race as we roll through the final lap of racing. Shiny spots, slick conditions, and certainly challenges abound as John Boland, the number 85, rounds that final turn, heading home to Checkers and a national championship here in this senior 45-plus class. John Boland takes the win here at Loretta Lynns. Don Baseplug now should be checking in here momentarily in that number 2 spot. Frank Koenig in the number 3 spot, but again with the conditions, and looked like Koenig might have been on the move there trying to get around Baseplug. So we'll see what happens when they do finally check in, but right now we're seeing Boland, Baseplug, Koenig, Guardo, Phelps. Wow, a 5 for last year, and let's see where he finishes up in 2019. Ooh, not a top 10 overall for him. Must have had a bad moto out there. We see Todd Rico in 6, Mark Smith 7, Derek Latham in 8, James Chetner in 9th, and Chris Rubel to round out the top 10. Actually, Scott Phelps will finish 7th overall, it looks like. So Boland, Baseplug, and Guardo are your top 3 overall.